Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome into FTL. My name is Spencer, and today we're going to take a look at this LG DVD VCR combo. It is supposed to be brand new in the box, but it looks like it may have been taken out once before. But let's go ahead and get it out. And this is one of those units that will convert VHS to DVD, and it has the HDMI output. So those are going to be two really nice features to have. Let's go ahead and get it out, and we'll get it plugged in and take a look at it. And this does have the SimpLink feature, and basically what that is it allows you to control this device with your LG TV remote control. And the controls that you can use are play, pause, scan, skip, stop, power off and on, and a few other ones based on your TV remote. Then there's our manual and cords. Then our power cord, our remote control, and then the main unit. So if we look at the top of it, we can look and see that there are a couple of marks, but it really looks like it's probably used once, because other than those marks, it does look like it's new. And it's got the HDMI, as you can see right there, and it was manufactured in January of 2007. Let's go ahead and zoom in on this and we'll go over all the functions right there. On the rear panel of this bad boy, we've got a digital tuner right here. That way you can tune your digital channels, and you can also record them with that. And you've got an IR transmitter for the remote control. And then you got the optical and coaxial digital audio right there. You got component output for DVD and S-video for DVD. And then you've got standard RCA composite inputs and outputs right here. The input is for recording, and the output is for DVD and VHS playback. And the one that you're probably going to want to use is the HDMI output right here. It's got 1080i up conversion, and that will work for the VHS tapes as well. And this was made in Indonesia, and as you can see, you've also got a detachable power cord, which is nice. So I went ahead and plugged it in so we can get a close-up of the display. We can fold down this door right here and get access to play, stop, record, channel up and channel down. Then you got your dubbing options right there. You can do either to DVD or to VHS. Then you've got your DVD VCR select and the resolution button. And it's also got a USB port on the front and a DV input for connecting a camera, and another composite input for recording from any compatible device. And some features that this has is you can record up to 11 hours on a single disc. It's got Super Multi, which with Super Multi, that means that you can play any DVD on this device. Then it's got an HD TV tuner. It plays DVFX discs. It's got Dolby Digital. You can play Windows media. And it also is compatible with RAM discs, RWs, and Rs, plus or minus. So let's go ahead and get it connected to the TV, and I will show you how to dub with it. So this is the original remote control for it. I'm gonna put batteries in it and keep it in this bag just so that I'm not touching it, so we can maintain this and keep it as new as we can. So first we're gonna have to set it up. We'll choose English, next. We'll just skip through this. All right, so now, in order to begin recording, we're gonna first put in the tape that we want to record, and then we're gonna put in our blank disc. And when picking out your disc that you want to record with, this device can use pretty much any disc that you want to put in there. We're going to use a DVD-R. And sometimes even when you get the correct format, you can have other problems. So you want to just be careful about the disc that you choose.
That's quite a wrap you're wearing. Perhaps I could get you some fluffy new slippers.
Alright, so it's loaded the disc. So the next thing that we need to do is go back to the VCR side, and then we're gonna push stop, and then we're gonna push dubbing on the remote. And right here you get to select the speed. You've got SP, LP, EP, MLP, and XP. XP will be your highest quality option, but SP will be your best option because it's going to maintain the quality and fit the most on the disc that you can. If you want to fit even more time on the disc, you can go with LP mode, but it will lower the quality of the picture. Same thing with EP and MLP. So we're going to use SP and then push dubbing, and then now it's going to start recording. And then whenever you're done recording, you can push stop on the remote, and then it will save the information to the disc.
You should try it sometime.
So once you're done recording, you're going to go ahead and push stop. And then it will stop the tape, and as you can see, it's recording file information. It's basically just saving it to the disc. Once it's done saving it to the disc, you're not done yet. There's one more very important step that you need to do. You need to make sure that you're on the DVD side. Then you're going to push the home button on the remote. Then you're going to look for the disc menu, which is right here, disc manager, right under easy menu. And then we're going to finalize it. If you don't finalize it, it will not play in other players, and you will be very upset because you're going to need to go back and finalize it. Or you might not have the recorder anymore, and you're going to just have to redo all of it. Once the disc is finalized, you can take it out and play it in any DVD player as long as it is capable of loading that format of discs. And also keep in mind, with the digital tuner, you can tune through digital channels and get the HD channels. And then with the HDMI output, you can get 1080i up conversion and wire this up to your smart TV, because the newer TVs don't have the red, white, and yellow inputs on them. And also with the USB input on the front, you're going to be able to plug in a USB and listen to music and view pictures that are on there. If you're looking to buy one of these, make sure you get it from us at fortheload.net, and you can order online or you can give us a call. Thanks for watching.